What's up everyone, West Coast Picks here, and today I have a disc detainer padlock. It's the same brand from the dollar store's $3 disc detainer padlock. Came with like 4 keys. As you can tell, they're pretty simple. Works good. As good as it should work anyway. Pretty sure it's plastic inside there too, so it's not going to be that great, but for picking and learning disc detainer, this is probably all I need. I'm pretty new to disc detainer picking, so that's pretty much what I need. Basically zero everything out, just turn it all one way as far as it'll go. It still works here. So just zero all the discs out, turn them all as far as they go one way, and that lock, it's right there. And this is just bottom of the keyway tension disc detainer pick. This is the top of the keyway everyone's probably used to. But this is the bottom keyway tension wrench, and we're locked up. Let's see if I can get into this thing. I'm very new at disc detainer picks, guys, like very new. I've only picked a couple, so this will be a good good sample of what it actually takes. So I'm in there, I got tension, and now I'm gonna start moving discs around, hopefully. It's weird holding it in a strange way. So I can already tell I have to file this tool more. It's working, but it's getting stuck in between wafers, which is a pain in the ass. And there we go. I hope that was in frame, guys. Oh shit, I might have to do it again. Anyway, that is open, and it's not going to come out because the sidebar is in. So you have to actually close it to be able to move the discs back, get everything out. Anyway, guys, that is the secure dollar store disc detainer padlock. Later.